as we age, our bodies face a natural condition called sarcopenia, which is the gradual loss of muscle mass and strength. Research shows that after the age of 30, humans naturally begin to lose muscle mass at a rate of about 3 to 5% every decade. This means that without proper nutritional intervention, as we enter old age, we risk losing a significant portion of our physical strength. This is not merely an aesthetic issue, but a primary factor contributing to the risk of falls and loss of independence in old age. One of the key factors in slowing this process is adequate protein intake. Today, I will explain from a medical perspective the 3 specific types of legumes that have been proven effective in helping to maintain muscle mass in older age. 1. Pinto beans. The first type that I highly recommend is pinto beans. The main focus of pinto beans in muscle health is their ability to fight inflammation. The enemy of muscles in old age is not only protein deficiency, but also chronic inflammation in the body. If the body constantly experiences inflammation, it tends to break down muscle protein for energy, causing muscles to shrink further. Pinto beans are rich in antioxidants, particularly flavonoids, which help suppress this inflammation. Additionally, pinto beans have a low glycemic index and are high in fiber. This is excellent for maintaining insulin sensitivity. Properly functioning insulin is crucial for ensuring that the nutrients and protein you consume are absorbed by muscle cells effectively, rather than being stored as fat. 2. Edamame. Edamame is categorized as a complete plant-based protein source. Why is this important for seniors? Most plant-based proteins do not have a complete amino acid profile, but edamame is different. These beans contain 9 essential amino acids that cannot be produced by the body, one of the most important being leucine. Leucine acts as the main signal for the body to start building new muscle tissue. In old age, the body often experiences anabolic resistance, where muscles become less responsive to protein intake. By consuming edamame, which is rich in high-quality, easily digestible protein, we help the body overcome this resistance so that muscle cell repair and maintenance can continue to function optimally even as we age. 3. Mature soybeans. The third type is mature soybeans, which are harvested when they are fully ripe. If edamame is young soybeans, then mature soybeans have a much higher nutritional density. 1 cup of mature soybeans contains a protein content equivalent to animal meat, but without high saturated fat. This provides the body with an abundant source of raw material to maintain muscle volume and prevent shrinkage. In addition to protein, mature soybeans contain isoflavones. In old age, the decline of certain hormones can accelerate the loss of bone and muscle mass. Isoflavones can help minimize these effects so that bone density and muscle strength are maintained. This is an extremely efficient food choice for those who wish to maintain physical strength without over-consuming red meat. Maintaining muscle mass in old age requires a smart nutritional strategy. A combination of edamame for complete protein, pinto beans to combat inflammation, and cooked soybeans for nutritional density can be an excellent natural solution. Remember, the best investment in health is what we eat today. This video is for educational purposes only. If you find it helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe so you don't miss out on other videos.